How to turn off S Pen sound and vibration while you write or not on your Samsung device. Let's see. When you remove the S Pen, you can listen the sound. Also, when you enter any notes, like here we select screen write. Now, when you write, you can listen the sound. If you want to turn off the sound or vibration, you need to go back settings, scroll down up to advanced feature. Now tap the advanced feature. Here you can find the S Pen option. Tap on it. Again scroll down. At the bottom you can find the more S Pen settings. Tap on it. Now here you can find the sounds. Play sound when you insert or remove the S Pen or write on the screen. So toggle up it or vibration. Vibrate your phone when you insert or remove S Pen. Just now go back. When you try to write anything, you can't listen the sound. Now you can't listen any sound when you write the screen of memo or use any screen of memo or any feature on your S Pen. It's quite easy to enable or disable sounds and vibration on your S Pen. That's it. If you like it, share it.